we are looking at how to pronounce these two words, one against the other, as well as how to pronounce more interesting words in English later. So how do you go about pronouncing these two? The good news is they are spelled completely differently, they mean completely different things. One is a food, the other designates something that comes in a series like numbers, but they are to be pronounced exactly the same way. Exactly the same pronunciation, they are homophones. So how do you say them? Cereal. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the C syllable. C-re-o. Cereal. Pretty straightforward once you know. Cereal. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious, including more homophones. I'll see you there to learn more.